Alright, so at the end of every day on a set, chances are that you might be stuck in a place that doesn't have running water. So you have bottles of water, or you're sitting in a van and you need to clean up and it's a long drive home. You definitely don't want to let your model or the person sitting in your chair leave without having a clean face if they request for it. So here's some things that you might need to carry with you always in your kit. A good eye makeup remover. You know, I like to use these biphase formulations, which is half oil, half water. It makes removal very easy and it doesn't irritate the client's eyes or skin. So it's handy to carry some of these. And what I really like is these lids. They seem like they'll easily open up, but these are spill-proof lids. You have to press to open them. Those kinds of things are good to carry in your kit, so you know that you won't have a massive cleanup job and it's not going to be all over your kit. And other products that I like to use are these creams that come in jars for cleaning up, and they're also not oily. They seem like waxy and oily, but they're not. So again, it's worth investing in good products so you can carry them safely in your kit without spill. You do know that kits are dragged across surfaces, lifted, thrown into trucks and stuff like that. So you want products that will sustain wear and tear and not go all over your kit and create trouble for you. So these are handy things to have when you're traveling or when you're shooting in locations that are not very close to cities or supermarkets and water for that matter. And yes, there's a way of removing, you can take off the makeup completely so the person sitting in your chair, the model, your client can go home with her face clean and intact. Imagine if she's had a long day, she'd want to spend less time removing her makeup as well. So it becomes your duty to be able to do that for her before she sets off after a long day of work. Just going to show you how you can take off makeup on set without creating a big mess and without much water. Firstly, take off the lashes. Always carry cotton pads, plenty, like these, lots of Q-tips, definitely wipes, wet wipes. They're all handy for removal purposes. So I'm just going to take off her eye makeup, which is quite elaborate right now, but I'm going to make it really spotless. Use your eye makeup cleanser. The best way to remove eye makeup is to saturate the pad really, really well and place it on your eye makeup for a while. And let the makeup dislodge, so to speak. Once you give it some time, if you just sweep it across, chances are that it should come, most of it should come off without any difficulty. Again, I'm switching it around because this is the empty side. Just let it sit on the makeup. It will give time for the product to react with the makeup and dislodge it from the skin. I'm applying no pressure at all. It literally is sliding off her skin. See, that's glitter. So you can see how decently that came off. I mean, no trouble at all. Just be super gentle. Spend a little time. Okay. Now if you notice, there's a lot of eye makeup. So what you want to do is just hold on the lashes, close your eyes, and gently move the remover along the lash line. What this will do is it will help take out the product from between the lashes as well. So you're basically going from underneath the lashes and picking up and cleaning from the root to tip, just like you would apply the makeup. Just as you would apply the mascara, you try and take it off. Switch to the clean side. Hold, let it saturate. Let it just settle into the lashes and then dislodge the mascara. Then wipe it off. Now, there's a lot of mascara that will be caught between the lashes. We've done tight lining in these videos. So you know that there's going to be plenty of makeup inside the lashes as well, on the base of the lashes. So let your customer keep her eyes closed, just as if you were going to tight line. Hold between the lashes from underneath and clean. Keep your eyes gentle. Yeah. This way you're not going directly into contact with their eyes. There's no stress. And the cleanup job also will be very thorough. Literally ease the product out from between the lashes. Okay. Now for the lower lash line, hold it just like you would put on the kohl pencil and go back and forth with the cotton wad. The back and forth strokes will help you take out the makeup from between the lashes. And now with the final sweep of eye makeup remover, just make sure everything is super clean. Go back in there, swipe. Go back, swipe. Open. Okay. So that should do a large bit of the cleansing. If you notice, all the eye makeup is off, including what was on the lashes. Open. Now for the rest of the face, like I said, I do like to use these balmy creams. So basically, although they do need a rinse, we can use wipes. Take a small amount in your palms. Just rub it all through the skin. These are also very soothing for the skin, so the skin is not left dry, because now you have to give her time to get home and wash up. So until then, this keeps the skin nice and moisturized as well. So you just dislodge the makeup from the skin. And then using makeup wipes, literally just wipe away the makeup remover. Relax. Now you want to do this till the face is as clean as you can get it, given the circumstances. Use no pressure, just be very gentle, because remember, the skin is normally tired after a day of work, especially the eyes. So use products that are gentle, use products that you would use on yourself for sure. I mean, nothing that's detrimental for the skin. And clean up thoroughly. Open your eyes, please. Look up. And get all of the makeup nice and clean and thoroughly away. And now, because you have used cleansing products, you want to make sure that her skin is supple and not dry from all the removal. So you do want to take a little extra care and give her a pump of moisturizer so you can set her off with very clean skin, and it'll feel rested by the time she gets home. apart from the fact that you've cleaned her up and sorted her out after the end of a day, she'll always remember you for being nice to her skin. So one of the perks of being a good makeup artist: thoughtful, kind, and clean. So there you have it. I think a very simple makeup removal routine, which is ideal for places for location shooting, bridals, in between quick jobs. So there you go. She's all set. A good dab of lip balm, and she'll have a happy face again. So a good dab of lip balm, and she's well moisturized. Her skin is ready to rest, and she has to spend less time back at home just cleaning up. And it's really, really important that you look after your customer from the start to the finish of a day. And it builds trust, it builds a relationship that is second to nothing else. So, from start to finish, I hope you enjoyed this session.